Hi, my name's Alison Moore. I've been training with the Asian College of Teachers for the past year. I'm due to complete my diploma in special education in the next couple of weeks, and then I'll be moving on to the postgraduate in special education. And in preparation for that, I attended a 3-day session for supporting diverse learners in inclusive classrooms. It was a fantastic 3 days with participants joining from across the world via Zoom. The program was a really good mix of materials, of teaching, of discussions. We had various PowerPoint sessions and also discussion of case studies both in a larger group and also in smaller breakout rooms. My specific takeaway was how to complete a thorough IEP in order to give the best possible support for the students. It was really important learning that it was vital to have collaboration between parents, teachers and the school support specialists as well as other specialists that might be involved in the student care. I really highly recommend this 3-day course and also Asian College of Teachers.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.